What's up guys, welcome to my new video. It's always me, Johnny, and today I'm gonna explain to you the importance of sound design in your videos, because sound it's like maybe a 60% of your video, so remember that because it's very important. Without further ado, let's go into the video and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna take as an example my video that I did on Prague, so my travel video that I did on Prague. If you haven't watched already my video, I will leave the link like below, or I think right here. You can check it out and let me know what you think. It's a pretty well done video about sound design because I did some sound effects on it, and I'm gonna show you the video differences between the video with only the music and the video with all my sound effects, and also I will show you just a video with only the sound effects. Maybe I will put the video before this tutorial starts, and so you can see it, or maybe you can hear it more than see it. So as you could see on the video, there are many sound effects that I did find on the internet, or that I recorded on the place. So basically, if you have to do a good sound design on your video, you have to take all your little details on the video and just put a sound below. You know, every transition, everything you see on the video, you have to add a sound effects for it, because it makes it more real and more realistic. I mean, so the video is gonna look maybe better. I mean, not look better, but it's gonna be just better. I have also a small time lapse that I did when I edited the video, so if you want it, I can show it to you maybe in another video, or maybe on Instagram. If you want, just follow me on Instagram, and maybe if you ask for it, I'm gonna show you without any problems. As I was saying, doing sound design, it's not very hard, but many people doesn't know the importance of sound design, so everybody just do an edit on their videos and then they don't put any sounds in it, and they just add the music in the background. That's it. And if you compare two videos, one with the music and one with also the sound effects in the background, you're gonna see the difference, as I showed before to you. So now you just know the trick. So now every time you're gonna do your next edit, just think about sound design and you will see that your video is gonna be better. Just trust me. And also, if you wanna know how to find some sound effects, or maybe just any sound in the background for your video, just search for free sound effects on Google. You will find some free website where you can download some effects, or maybe just a more simple way, just go for YouTube. So you can find any sound effects on YouTube. Just search for, maybe you need a bird sound effects, so search on YouTube for bird sound effects. You just can download the effects from YouTube. It's free most of the times. If you want to be sure that it's free, just search for no copyright, so you're not gonna go in any trouble. So I know this is not an in-depth video on sound design, but it was just to show you how it works. So if you want to know how to build a video with all the sound design, I'm gonna probably make another video if you are requesting one. And so this was just a practical example of what's the difference between a sound designed video and one without sound design. Anyway, if you have any question on this argument, write down in the comment. I'm gonna answer any question. If you liked the video, just hit the like button, and if you loved it, maybe subscribe. It's gonna help the channel grow. And I think that was it. So nothing. See you in the next video, I guess.